Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of lottery investment website. So basically this is a RaffleLab latest version script. In this video I will give you the demo of this website, its admin panel, and then I will show you how we can install it on our hosting server, and I will guide you completely about this. Now if you want to buy this lottery investment website script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description. You can contact us and easily buy this script, and we will provide you a complete support of installation and everything if you face any issue. So we will provide you a complete support, and if you need this complete website with domain name and hosting, we also provide the complete website with domain name hosting. So let's start this video. First of all, you can see the amazing look of its home page. Basically this is completely controllable from admin panel, and you can completely control it from admin. And you can change all this text, images, anything you want to change, you can change it. Here you can see the option of play now. You can directly go and play by clicking this option. Here are the about us section. You can change this section and add your own details. Here you can book the lottery tickets from here, and here you can see different lottery tickets right here, and you can see them. US Mega Millions, Philippines, Italy lottery ticket. Here by clicking view all, you can view all the tickets of lottery. So these are all the lottery tickets, and you can create these tickets from admin panel. You can create any ticket you want from admin. So here is a step-by-step guide to play. Choose the lottery, select the lottery number, check the lottery, and win lottery and enjoy. So here you can see all the latest winners of lottery, and here are the prize option, client feedbacks. Here are latest blogs, and you can also insert blogs over this site. And this is a photo section. Basically you can completely change this logo, text, anything you want to change, you can change it from admin, and I will show you how we can change them. So by going to lotteries, it will redirect you to a lottery page. Here are the results section. You can see all the results by going to results page. So here you can see all the results of the lotteries, and there is only one result currently now. So here you can see that. And by going to blogs, you can read the blogs over the site, and these are all the blogs. User can read them. Here is FAQ and contact page, same as that with. So now here let's go back to our home page, and let's log in to our user panel, and let's see how we can control it from user panel, and how user can buy lotteries and do all the stuff. So just click on play now option, and here it will redirect to a lottery page. So when you want to purchase a lottery, for example, here you can see a different coins, and now I want to purchase this lottery. Just click on purchase, and here to purchase this lottery you must have to log into your account. So to log in, you can register over this site. So by going to register, you can easily register on this website. So here you have to fill all these details to register, but I already have an account, so I am not going to register. So I will just click on here login. So I will log in with my existing details. So I will log in with my existing username and my password. So when I click on I am not a robot, here I have to fill the reCAPTCHA, and here, so after filling this reCAPTCHA, so I have filled it. Now when I click on verify, it is verified. Now when I click on login, it will redirect me to my user panel. So here you can see the user panel of this website, and it has a very amazing look. It is easy to use, simple, and here you can see your total balance. You can purchase coin, you can cash out. Basically by going to purchase coin, you can deposit money, and here you can use all these gateways to deposit money from. You can select these gateways from admin. You can set your own gateways. So you can set up manual and auto payment gateways. So here you can go to dashboard. You can see all the pending draws. Here you can see the purchase ticket. So currently I haven't purchased any tickets, so that's why it's showing nothing. So here is the win history, purchase coins, and you can purchase coins. Here is a withdraw option, cash out. You can withdraw your money from here, and you can use any withdrawal method. Here are the cash out transactions, my referrals. So here you can see all your transactions. So there is only currently one transaction, that is my 100 coin bonus. And here when you go to referral, you can refer different people using your link, and you will see all your referrals right here. Here is the support to get two-factor authentication, my profile, change password, and all the other stuff option. And suppose if I want to purchase a ticket, so here you can see the option to purchase a ticket. Just click over it, and any ticket you want to purchase according to your balance, you can purchase it from here. And here just you have to click on quick pick, and you can easily buy a ticket. Here it is 16 coins, and so here you can see that I have successfully purchased the ticket. So this is how you can purchase the tickets. Now when I go to dashboard, and now here you can see that there is only one purchase ticket, and here when I go to purchase ticket, you can see your purchase tickets and all these values. So this is how you can purchase tickets on the site. So this is the user panel of this site. Now if you want to change the language of the website, you can easily insert any local language you want. Now let's go to admin panel, and let's see how we can control this website from admin panel. So I'm directly going to the admin panel. So here I will just click on here, and just I will type my admin, and it will redirect me to the admin panel. So this is the admin login page, and here you can see all the admin details were entered, and I have to fill the reCAPTCHA, and when I click on login, it will log me into my admin panel. So here you can see the amazing admin panel of this website. You can see your total user, total active user, email unverified user, and you can see a very amazing look of this website admin dashboard. You can see charts, you can see total deposit in coins, total payments, and here you can see your total notification of user registration and ticket purchased. All these things you can do it from here, and you can see right here. So when I go to pending draws, here you can see all the pending draws of lotteries from here, and you can directly draw now from here. Here if you want to create your own lotteries, you can directly create lottery tickets from here. So you can edit the existing lottery tickets, but if you want to create your own lottery ticket, just click on add new and fill these details, and you can easily create your own lottery tickets. So coin requests, here you can see all the coin requests mean deposit options from here, and you can approve deposit or reject them from here. And to create a referral settings, you can manage different levels of referral, and you can create different levels of referral from here, that how much profit you want to give on the referral, you can create them from here. So from manage user, you can manage the user options, you can manage all the users, active users, banned user from here, and you can add balances to their account. So let's go to automatic gateways. So these are all the automatic payment gateways. All worldwide accepted gateways are here. You can just edit them and put your own details to enable them, and you can disable them from here. And if you want to create your own manual gateway, so just click on add new, and you can easily add a manual gateway from here. So here you can manage all the manual payment gateways. You can approve the manual request from here, and here you can approve or reject the withdrawal request of users from here. And here you can see all the support tickets of user. Here you can see all the reports of the site. So let's go to general settings, and here you can change this website name. You can change the currency of the website, so you can use any coin or any currency you want. So here you can change the coin symbol, site base color, anything you want to change bonus from here. So here are all the coin instructions, you can set them from here. Here are cron job setting. From system configuration, you can enable, disable different settings of websites such as user registration, KYC, emails, anything you want to close or enable or disable, you can do it from here. And you can also close the language options. From logo and favicon, you can change the logo, and you can insert your own logo right here. Here from social credential, you can manage your own social credential. You can put your own details right here. From extension, you can manage extension. From language, you can insert any local language. Just click on add new, and you can easily add a new language by filling these details. So currently there are only 3 languages, but you can insert multiple language, as many as you want. So here you can manage SEO, you can manage the notification, you can manage the template, pages. And this is the most important thing here is you can edit the complete home page. As I told you, you can completely control the site from admin. So if you want to edit the about section of website or any section of website, so here you can simply change text, you can change the subheading, you can change here, you can change the images and headings, anything you want to edit, you can do it from here. Similarly, you can manage the edit the banner section of website. If you want to edit it, you can do it. So here you can change the banner image, you can change the banner heading, text, button, anything you want to change, you can do it from here. So this is how you can completely control this website. You can manage GDPR cookie, maintenance mode, anything you want to do, you can do it from here. So now I've completely guided you about this site, its admin panel. Now we will see how we can install this script on our hosting server. So I will go directly to my cPanel and I install it over it. But if you're using Hostinger, hPanel or any other hosting, don't worry about that. Interface may be different, but the installation process will remain the same. So let's go and install this script. So here you can see that I have opened my cPanel, but if you are using Hostinger, you have to open your Hostinger hPanel. It works on all type of hosting. So what you have to do is you have to go to your file manager. Even if you are using Hostinger, go to your file manager, then go to public HTML. So I will upload this script on my subdomain. So as you can see that I've already uploaded it, the script. So but you have to upload, click on upload and upload the script that I gave you. So I've already uploaded it just in order to save the time. So here you have to click on it after uploading. Just click on extract and it will extract the files of the script. So it is extracting. It may depend on your internet connection how much time it will take. So here you can see that script has extracted successfully. Now here you can see the documentation related to script and here you can see the files. So just go to files and here you have to click on select all and here you have to click on move and you have to move all the files to public HTML folder. So I am moving these files to my root directory. Now copy your domain name and just go to search bar and type it. So here you have to type /install also and here you can see that our script has our installer window has opened successfully. Now you have to go to here and you have to click on I agree, next step. So here you can see that our window has opened successfully and our all the requirements are fulfilled. Now I have to click on next step to move forward and here you can see that our database details, our screen is here. So now here we have to enter all our database details, database name, host and all this stuff here. So I have already created the database and user in order to save the time. So I will just go to my notepad and I will copy my database name right here. Here I have to select the host, here I have to give the name and here I have to select the password and here you have to give the admin credentials. So these are all the admin credentials. And when I click on I install now, the script will install successfully. So you just have to click on install now and your script will install successfully, and it has very easy procedure to install the script, so you don't need to worry about installation. And we also provide you support in case of installation and in case of any issue. So just click on install now and your script will install. So here you can see that our script has installed successfully. Now when I click on go to website and activate, our script will be activated. So just click on go to website and activate. So here you can see that our script has installed successfully on our subdomain, and you can see that it is setting up the environment of our website and you have to wait for its setup. And here you can see that our script has set it up successfully. And here you can see all these things are here and the script is live now, and you have to change these details from admin. Here you can see that it is on our subdomain on which we just installed, and it is live now. So here you can add these images from admin. So site is newly created, that's why some features are missing, but when you insert images from admin it will be okay. And here you can see that you have to create lotteries from admin panel, as I told you how you can create it. So viewers, if you want to buy the script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description. You can contact us and easily buy this script. So thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.